Start. We welcome you to school today, school today, school today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today, here today, here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome everyone. Welcome once again. Chalo. Now we'll sing fruit salad. Okay. So I'm looking at each one of you. मैं आप सबको देख रही हूँ, ठीक है ना? सब साथ में करेंगे. We'll do it together. Start. Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, chiku, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad, custard apple, custard apple, pineapple, pineapple, guava, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad. Chalo, now after fruits, vegetables. Start. Bottle gourd, bottle gourd, potato, potato, onions, 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 vegetables, vegetables, cauliflower, cauliflower, tomato, tomato, cabbage, 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 vegetables, vegetables, cauliflower, cauliflower, tomato, tomato, cabbage, 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 vegetables, vegetables. Okay, chalo, we'll say it together. Now everyone has to do. Come on. We'll sing it one more time. Bottle gourd, bottle gourd, potato, potato, onions, 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 vegetables, vegetables, cauliflower, cauliflower, tomato, tomato, cabbage, 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 vegetables, vegetables. All right, chalo. Now we'll sing national anthem. So हमें national anthem में क्या करना है? What we have to do? We have to stand straight. चलो खड़े हो जाओ. Come on, stand up. And one more thing, parents, those who are sitting beside the child, you are also requested to stand up. हमें बच्चों को यही बताना है कि whenever the national anthem is being played या हम कभी उसे पढ़ते हैं तो सबको खड़ा होना है. We should pay respect, है ना? So I request you all, please. हम लोग जो करेंगे बच्चे भी वही करेंगे. All right, so you all have to stand, please. So kids, you do not have to move here and there. Do not look here and there. All right? Chalo. So, thumbs inside, fingers on the top, hands by your side. Chalo. Straight. Attention, everyone. Start. Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक, जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे, जय हिंद। अच्छा, अब मैंने नाम नोटिस करे जो बच्चे सही से नहीं खड़े थे, है ना? चलो, नाउ सिट डाउन एवरीवन, या खड़े रहो। विल डू द एक्सरसाइज नाउ। स्टैंड अप, विल डू द एक्सरसाइज नाउ, कम ऑन, स्टैंड अप एवरीवन। All right, now stretch your arms and clap, 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 clap. Now wiggle your fingers, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Now keep both the hands on your waist. आपके दोनों हाथ कमर पे रखो and jump, jump, jump. Tushant, come on, come on, come on, come on. Very good. Well done. Now raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Again. Raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Okay. Now, what we have to do? We have to run, run, run. Come on, Adya, Tushant. Tushant, I'm looking at you. You don't have to do the action only. All right. Okay, kids. Chalo, now sit down. Sit down. Okay, now let's talk about the day and the date. So today, the day is Tuesday. कल मंडे था, तो आज कौन सा डे हुआ? ट्यूसडे. टुडे द डे इज ट्यूसडे 28 September 2021. चलो, now we'll say the names of days of the week. So how many days are there in a week? एक वीक में कितने डेज होते? टेल मी. Yes, अब तो सबको लर्न हो गया. Well done, very good. There are 7 days in a week. Okay, so let's say it together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And Sunday is the holiday. Okay, now, yes, now kids, sit, 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 sit. Chalo. So now let's start our work. ठीक है? Chalo, come on. So first of all, you get your numeracy workbook. Get your numeracy workbook. Spot the difference. Yes. So here some numbers are given. ठीक, जैसे हर लाइन में नंबर्स दे रखे हैं, तो आपको अलग नंबर को कट करना है. जो नंबर सही नहीं है, यू हैव टू कट दैट नंबर. ठीक है? आपको डिफरेंस और सेम पता है ना? सेम मतलब एक जैसे एंड डिफरेंस मतलब अलग. ठीक है? सो द फर्स्ट वन इज, लुक, विच नंबर इज दिस? 7. 7 इज रिटन, पर यहां पर देखो एक 7 उल्टा लिख दिया है, गलत लिख दिया है. So this is different, है ना? So we have to cross it. So already 1 is done for you. आपको समझ में आया? सेम को नहीं, we have to cross out the different one. जो अलग है उसे हमें क्रॉस करना है. अब नाउ नेक्स्ट लाइन पर आओ. पेज नंबर 23. All right, I'll write down the name and the book name and the page number in the chat box. Page number 23. Nine. Which number is this? 9. अब ये देखो यहाँ 9 की लाइन में कौन सा नंबर अलग है? Which one is different? कौन सा अलग है? This is. तो this is you have to cross it out. जो अलग है, जो different है, उसे आपको cross करना है. You have to cross out the odd one in each. The next one. चलो बच्चों. 5, 5, 5. अब बताओ इनमें से कौन सा अलग है? Which one is different? कौन सा अलग है? This one. So we have to cross this one. You have to cross the odd one out. Yes, Roseanne. Just a minute, beta. Now, the last one is, which number is this? 6. So which one is different? कौन सा odd है? Which one is different? This one. So you have to cross this one. ठीक है? चलो, one more time we'll do. One more time. This is the last time. Okay? Start. The title of the rhyme is Teddy Bear. Teddy bear, teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school. Very good, very nice. Chalo, now we'll do our English work. ठीक है? So come on everyone, get your English copy and write down today's date, mothers, 28/9/2021. चलो, all right. So first of all, kids, let's quickly revise the letters. जल्दी जल्दी हम सारे letters revise कर लेते हैं. Then we'll do our next work. ठीक है? Come on, say with ma'am. A. Apple. Say the sound also, kids. Fast हम रिवाइज कर लेते. You all are good ना? आप good हो गए हो and big भी हो आप लोग सब. तो अब सबको बोलना है ना, मम्मा को और मैम को बार बार ना कहना पड़े कि come on say. ठीक है? चलो. After A, B. Biba, ball. Then what comes after B? C. C ka cat. Then after C, D. D da doll. Come on, say with ma'am. After D, E. E a elephant. E a engine. Then after E, F. F for fish. Then G. G ga gun. G ga grapes. After G, H. H ha hat. Then I. Ice cream. Igloo. Yeah, insect. Then after I, J. J ja joker. After J, K. K ka kite. After K, L. Gitanshi, where are you? All right. L. Ella lion. Ella lamp. अब L के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? Which letter comes after L? M. है ना? तो yesterday we had learned letter M. चलो. So get your copy. Today you have to write M on dots. ठीक है? In the copy. है ना? These 5 dots are given. So what you have to do? You have to make one standing line. ठीक है? Then slanting line. Then one more slanting line and standing line. Like this. Okay? Which letter is this? This is letter M. This is letter M. बच्चों, children, ये कौन सा letter है? Which letter is this? This is letter M. Emma, mango. Mango. Mango किसे किससे अच्छा लगता है? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Mango किसे किससे अच्छा लगता है? Yes. Very nice. And even I like it. है ना? तो I also have to raise the hand. Okay. चलो तो Emma mango and Emma monkey, Emma mat. Just a minute. Yes. Emma mat. And और क्या था Emma? सोचो. Emma moon. Chanda mama. Okay. M says ma. The sound of M is ma. Ma. Emma mango. Emma mat. Emma moon. All right, चलो now let's see how to write letter M. ठीक है, अब हम देखते हैं कि हम लाइंस पे M को कैसे लिखेंगे. In case of any doubt, you kindly ask me. Feel free to ask me anytime. ठीक है? ओके, अब देखो यहाँ पर आपकी कॉपी में ऐसे डॉट्स हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 dots are there in your copy. है ना, isn't it? So first of all, you have to make one standing line. Then slanting line. Then again slanting line and standing line again to make letter M. Which letter is this? This is letter M. This is letter M. अच्छा, you tell me, हमारी क्लास में से M नाम से किनके वो नाम आता है? M letter से raise your hand. M. Advait, you start with letter A. लेटर एम से किसका नाम आता है हमारी क्लास में? रेज योर हैंड्स. नो वन इज देयर. मनन, you are there, no? Your name starts with letter M. So M. Write down neatly. Again, I am repeating the formation. 5 dots are given there in your copy, okay? 5 dots are there. So you have to make one standing line, slanting line, again one more slanting line and standing line again. Makes letter M. M. Okay, so I'm repeating it again. Say and write. M. Which letter you are writing? Letter M. Letter M. Standing line, slanting line, one more slanting line and standing line again. Makes letter M. ठीक है? First of all, आपको standing line बनानी है. In this way, then slanting line up and standing line down. Makes letter M. Which letter is this? This is letter M. अच्छा, M मा milk भी होता है बच्चों. M मा milk. Which letter you are writing? Letter M. Which letter you are writing? Letter M. Letter M. Say and write. Kids, please beta say and write. सिर्फ लिखना important नहीं है. Yes, Dishan, show beta. Just a minute.